Okay guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to do a quick pump down on this air conditioning unit. So whenever you wanna recover the refrigerant into the compressor that's in there, if you're gonna be doing installs or anything like that, you're gonna start with the high side over here. See the pressures. You're gonna start closing the high side. Almost halfway after, you're gonna go to the low side, start closing it, maybe about halfway as well. So when you're ready to shut off the unit, it can recover most of the refrigerant as consistent as it can. So we're gonna keep going. Whoops. There, you're gonna see the pressures are gonna start going down. This is an old unit, so if the compressor makes noise, it's okay. But normally you don't want it to make too much noise before you remove the disconnect. Sometimes it might also go off on pressure switches. You're gonna start hearing the noise. There you go, went off on pressure switch. It's okay, just keep going. Close the low side now. This unit's gonna be exchanged for a new one.